Hello, my friends. Greetings from Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to watch my channel, Gas Oil Knowledge Hub. This is continuation of Midstream Welding Procedure Specification, WPS PART E, 3 of 6. Let us continue. Now, PQR, Procedure Qualification Recorder. Each WPS is supported by a Procedure Qualification Recorder. A PQR is a record of test well performed and tested more rigorously to ensure that the procedure will produce a good weld. See, this is also covered by section 9, boiler pressure versus code. QW 483, Procedure Qualification Recorder. These are the tests, T1, T2, okay, type number, breadth, thickness, area, ultimate strength, UTS, fracture location, remarks. So this is just sample only, okay. But whatever you have mentioned, WPS as per section 9 or 1104. If it is section 9 uphill welding, you have to go through this. If it is the WPS prepared according to the 1104, you have to go through 1104 requirements. Okay. So these are the 1104 requirements. It depends on pipe diameter and weld techniques. Okay. You will find these configurations in the APA 1104. Tensile test per specimen, guided belt test specimen, Charpy impact test specimen. So you can see this. Mostly this Charpy impact test will be done for the NACE material. Okay. Next. Table 2, it is just tensile strength, nick break test, root bend test, face bend test, side bend test, and total test to be carried out, and what are the location, what are the diameter ranges, and all it is given in 1104. At the end, this is the welder PQ, WPQ, and why it is so important. Individual welders are certified with a qualification test documented as a welder performance qualification record. That shows they have the understanding and have demonstrated the ability to work within this specified WPS. So that is the reason WPS, Welder and Welding Operator Performance Qualification Record. A form is like this, standard form it is, and we have to provide, a company, organization will provide a welder with the name, welder number, process SMAW, GMAW, FCAW, position 3G, 4G, 1F, 2F, 3F, 4F, which position and which material P1 to P8, anything, whatever it is, and electrodes, filler meters, current, DCEP. Okay. These are the things reflected in the welder identification card. Wherever he goes, it is a certificate for him, identity. Oh, this welder is qualified in this welding procedure, this thickness and this diameter. Each welding operator shall be qualified by producing an acceptable weld using the qualified welding procedures. The completed weld shall be tested by destructive methods, non-destructive methods, or both, and shall meet the requirements 6.4 through 6.7 except nick break test as per the 1104, APA 1104 shall not be required. Should a welded procedure qualification utilize a manual semi-automatic pass? As outlined in 12.1, the nick break test in 5.6.4 shall be required as part of the welding operator qualification. The tensile strength test shall not be replaced by as part of welding operator's qualification. The tensile strength test shall not be replaced by nick break test and thus omitted. Prior to the start of welding, each welding operator shall have received adequate training in the operation of the welding equipment. If the welding process involves more than one operation, welding operator shall be qualified on the type of welding equipment that will be used in production welding. Changes in the essential variables described in 12.6.2 of 1104 require requalification for the welding operators. These things, changes require requalification welders, changes in the following essential variable require requalification of the welder operator. I try to understand when a requalification is required, a separate WPS is required. What are the essential variables? We should understand. It is very clearly given in 1104. Still, you go through this, a change from welding process, mode of transfer, polarity or method of application to another welding process or combination of process. Short arc, pulse arc, spray arc, gas junction arc, etc. Means some places they will ask combination of welding, root pass is GTAW or FCAW, other passes shall be SMAW. It's essential variables. A change in the direction of welding from vertical uphill to vertical downhill or vice versa. A change in the filler metal type of solid wire, metal core, flux core. A change from the specified OD group to another. OD less than 12.75, 323 inches, 323 millimeters, and OD equal to or greater than 12.75. It is essential variables. A separate qualification is required for all these points. E. Welding operator shall qualify on the heaviest specified wall thickness that the welder operator will weld in production. A change position from that which the welder operator has already qualified, example, a change from roll to fixed or change from vertical to horizontal. A welder who qualifies in the fixed position shall also be qualified to perform rolled welds within the essential variables qualification. A change in welding by manufacturer or model. A change in the method of applying the root bead, external root versus internal root. A major in joint design, example, from V groove to U groove or J groove, or any change beyond the range established for such factors as spacing root of root face, angle of bevel, constitutes and essential variables. A list of qualified welders, ID codes of welder with complete details and all records duly signed shall be available. As discussed earlier in the presentation, steel is the preferred choice of construction in oil and gas industries. Various different grades of steels are used for manufacturing of pipelines. You can see this API specification 5L grade pipe. It is called line pipe. Applicable specification, API specification 5L line pipe. So this is specification cover all aspects in detail, including the following: pipe grades, delivery condition, process of manufacturing, starting material, weld seams, heat treatment requirements, chemical compositions, tensile properties, hydrostatic test, inspection, marking. Why it is important to understand the base metal properties before deciding on the welder filler metal? You can see this chemical compositions are different. Okay. It is right to say that joining together two materials is for the most part a matter of chemistry, which filler metal best matches the base metals. In the chemistry of this base material and filler metals matches, the mechanical properties such as the tensile and yield strength will also match. Welding operators can rest assured that their weld deposit will have the same strength and properties as the base material. Is it clear? The table on the right side, you can see this example of how the chemical composition, tensile properties of the pipe material specified in the specifications. See, yield strength, tensile strength, this is L175 pipe grade or A25, it is different. But see the properties, pipe body of seamless welded pipes. Okay, my friends, you watch my video part 3 of 6 WPS PART E. For continuation, watch next video 4 of 6 for continuation of WPS PART E. Any doubts? Go through all the videos 1 to 6. Try to understand. Any doubts, any time, any questions, please write to me, contact me. I will respond to individuals. It is essential to understand what is WPS and work in midstream pipelines. Please share my channel. Watch all videos completely. Subscribe my channel. Write your valuable comments. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Thank you.